Have you ever wondered why our planet is getting warmer year by year? It's a question that has been on the minds of scientists, environmentalists, and everyday people alike. This phenomenon, known as global warming, is one of the biggest challenges humanity faces today. It's not just an environmental issue. It's a crisis that affects our health, economy, and overall way of life. But what exactly is global warming, and why does it matter? Let's find out. Understanding the root causes and consequences is the first step towards making a change. Global warming refers to the long-term rise in Earth's average surface temperature due to human activities, particularly the burning of fossil fuels like coal, oil, and gas. These activities have been accelerating since the Industrial Revolution. These activities release greenhouse gases such as carbon dioxide and methane into the atmosphere. These gases are invisible but have a powerful impact on our climate. These gases trap heat, creating what's known as the greenhouse effect, which leads to a gradual warming of the planet. This effect is natural and necessary for life, but human activities have intensified it. The primary cause of global warming is the excessive release of greenhouse gases. Human activities like industrial processes, deforestation, and intensive agriculture are major contributors. 1. Burning fossil fuels for energy and transportation. This includes everything from electricity generation to powering our cars and planes. 1. Large-scale deforestation, which reduces the number of trees that absorb CO2. Forests act as carbon sinks, and their destruction exacerbates the problem. 1. Agriculture and livestock farming, which produce methane, a potent greenhouse gas. Livestock like cows produce methane during digestion, and rice paddies emit methane as well. These factors disrupt the natural balance, causing the Earth's temperature to rise. The consequences are far-reaching and affect every corner of the globe. The impacts of global warming are already visible. We see it in the increasing frequency and severity of natural disasters. 1. Rising sea levels threaten coastal areas and small islands. This can lead to displacement of communities and loss of habitat. 1. Extreme weather events like hurricanes, heat waves, and droughts are becoming more frequent and severe. These events cause significant damage to infrastructure and ecosystems. 1. Melting glaciers and polar ice caps are causing disruptions in ecosystems, affecting both humans and wildlife. This also contributes to rising sea levels. 1. Loss of biodiversity as species struggle to adapt to changing climates. Many plants and animals face extinction if they cannot migrate or adapt quickly enough. While global warming is a serious issue, we can take action to slow it down. It requires a collective effort from individuals, communities, and governments. 1. Shift to renewable energy sources like solar and wind power. These sources are cleaner and more sustainable than fossil fuels. 1. Reduce, reuse, and recycle to minimize waste. Every bit of waste reduction helps lower greenhouse gas emissions. 1. Plant trees and protect forests to absorb CO2 from the atmosphere. Reforestation and afforestation are key strategies. 1. Support policies and innovations that aim to reduce carbon emissions. Advocacy and voting for green policies can drive systemic change. Every small step counts in the fight against global warming. Simple actions like conserving energy and reducing waste can make a big difference. Global warming affects all of us, but together we can make a difference. Collective action is powerful and necessary. Let's take steps to protect our planet for future generations. The choices we make today will shape the world of tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. Together we can spread awareness and inspire action.